Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to change your WordPress homepage name. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to your WordPress website. When the site loads, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will see the login option. Clicking on this login feature allows you to access your secure account portal. At this point, you are given the option to continue with your Google account. This method offers a quick and safe way to sign in without the hassle of remembering additional passwords. Simply click on the option labeled Continue with Google and select the appropriate account to proceed with the login process. After you have successfully logged in, you will arrive at your WordPress dashboard. This dashboard is designed with simplicity and efficiency in mind, offering quick access to several important features. One prominent element in this area is the Quick Link section, which includes an option marked Edit Site. When you click on Edit Site, you are taken to the site customization area. This is where you have the ability to manage different aspects of your website, from layout options to content management. Once inside the site editor, your next objective is to locate the section dedicated to your pages. Find the link that directs you to pages within the editing interface. Clicking on pages will display a list of all your existing pages, enabling you to quickly identify which page is set as your home page. In this process, look for the additional option or tab labeled All Pages. This tab gives you a comprehensive overview of every page on your website, making it easier to locate the home page among your other pages. Within the All Pages view, locate the home page by scrolling through your list of pages until you find the entry that corresponds to your main landing page. When you have identified the home page, you will notice a small icon represented by 3 dots associated with it. This icon is a visual cue that there are more options available for that specific page. Click on the 3 dots to reveal the additional functionalities. After clicking the 3 dots, a menu will appear, displaying several actions that can be performed on the home page. From the available choices, select the option to rename the page. By choosing Rename, you open up a dialog where you can type in a new name for your home page. This new title should be clear and representative of your website's content, as it is the first thing visitors will see when they land on your site. Take a moment to ensure that your new homepage name aligns with your overall branding and the message you wish to convey to your audience. Once you have carefully entered the new name, confirm the change. The updated homepage name will then become visible on your site once you save the modifications and refresh your browser. This process demonstrates how simple it is to keep your site details up to date and to ensure that visitors always receive accurate information about where they are on your website. You have now successfully followed the process of logging into WordPress, navigating to the site editor, accessing the pages section, and finally renaming your home page. Each step in this guide is designed to be straightforward, allowing you to make changes in approximately 5 minutes. Enjoy your updated WordPress homepage and the enhanced ease of navigation it provides to you and your site visitors.